What are you doing, baby?
No, don't.
Abs. Get closer.
Not even inches.
Welcome back.
Well, you go.
No, you go.
Okay. Well, how you going, guys? Welcome to another video. Today is a very special day for us. It is 1 year since we posted our first YouTube video, so I'm super excited. Thank you for all the love and support over the last 12 months. Thank you to the people out there that have been commenting and liking the videos since day one. People like Corby8 and Peter R. You guys know who you are. Thanks very much for that. Alright, so 2018, heaps of new content coming up. We have got a 2-week trip planned over Easter. We're going where, Chelsea?
East Cape.
Going to the East Cape, some beautiful spots there, Tolaga Bay, Tokomaru Bay. So we're super excited about that. We'll take you along for the ride on that one for sure. Also, here's a sneak peek of the tour video that's coming up. So insert clip here. So super excited to share that with you, to show you our new Rosy 2, give you a bit more of an in-depth tour on her.
Thanks again for joining us this last year, and we hope you'll come along for our future adventures.